A puppy and kitten were trapped in this terrifying cave. They were terrified, abandoned, and hungry. Their eyes were filled with fear, but the puppy continued to shield the little kitten with its body. Kind people noticed them and helped them, first by feeding them, then by providing medical care. It was the happiest day of their lives. After a while, they were obediently held by people, and people in turn helped them get rid of fleas and ticks. These two little ones weren't separated. They were taken home to live together,